going to do our next build?
Now, I don't really know who we're gonna find next. Wait, can we just hire the plushies from the Plushieverse channel?
Great idea. I mean, we do watch them every day.
Yeah, and I think they already have a bunch of materials, so let's go find them. Wait, okay, the address is 1234 Plushie Street, so let's go. A few hours later. Harry, are you guys the plushies from the Plushieverse?
Yes! Another you!
Yeah, and another word, but this one has a deeper voice. So, but it's not as deep as Firelord's. It's not as deep as Firelord's. So, we want to task you guys with a challenge. Okay, what's the challenge? We want to see how a building that you guys could build in the next 24 hours. And if we are satisfied by a build, we'll pay you $10,000. But if we're not, then at least you got some experience. Yeah, okay. So, I guess you guys are going to leave now. Yeah, we'll be back at the end of the video. Woo! Okay, well, wait, Mario, I just realized something. We don't have any materials! Woo! We don't have any materials! But how are we gonna build a building like Builder Mario and Builder Luigi wanted without materials?
Well, we could just buy materials.
Wait a second. Did you just spawn it? Wait, these are materials. These are... Okay, I guess we could try to build something. I don't... How are we supposed to build something out of this crap? I mean, I guess it's better than nothing, but... How? Like, Mario, how do you expect us to build... Wait, there are some Lego blocks, so maybe we could, like... Okay, here. We could connect these boys with that boy, and then make another boy, and then connect, and then let's just keep connecting everything, and just make it look, and then we have to put the best Squidward up there, and then we have to put pink sheep up there, and then we connect all of that. How did we get crap? Okay, someone else try. Okay, fine, I'll try. If I was you gave up too easily. No, I didn't. I tried on the first try, like everyone wants to. Okay, fine. I'll try again since you're two. Oh, okay, fine. Okay, so now I am going to build my most holiest build ever. It's not even gonna be a real building. It's gonna have a bunch of people on it. So we're just gonna put all of these people right here. Hey, why are we all here? And why am I here? I'm from the... don't say that name. Don't say that name because we might get copyrighted. I'm from the... Okay! Continuing the build anyways. So, we continue just putting a bunch of crap on there. And now I see why you gave up so easily. It's crap. Okay, now someone else try because I'm never trying to build something that stupid crap again.
What made shoes?
Who are you, big boy?
I am Mr. Dinosaur.
Okay, well, can you please choose me since we're basically the same kind?
Yeah, come on.
Okay, let's build something together, big boy.
Okay.
Wait, okay, so we should...
tiny arms
Hey, I'll get on top of this thing. Okay, well, I'll add the box back. So now we need to connect these people or these belts together with a big boy. So now we can have a little bit of an under thing, and then we can just put this over here. Okay, you know what? At this point, we might as well just build the best thing that we can build. I mean, just put all of this crap on there. In fact, everyone from the Plushiverse, come. Even me, I am famous. I have a bunch of you. Okay, Koopa, stop glazing yourself. Fine. But if I'm gonna be down here, I'm gonna help you. So are we. But I'm gonna help Bowser the most. So, Bowser, I suggest that we just make the crappiest thing ever. Why make it crap? It's so because I mean, what if it's like they think since they see all the same normal good builds all the time, if we give them a crappy creative build, then they might actually like it. Okay, so let's put a bunch of crap. What are you? You're not supposed to drink that, Sonny. Wait, is that real? Wait, hold on, what is that? Oh, it's water. I thought that was like gasoline or something.
No, it's not.
But why does it taste so... Oh, that's 30 million year old water. Oh, no. Oh. Okay. I'm never drinking water from a dinosaur, drinking water that a dinosaur says is good ever again. Because even though I'm part dinosaur, I didn't live 30 million years ago. So let's just continue the spell. Okay, so we should add the pirate ship. We should just add a bunch of crap.
That's swap.
Now we have...
Why you made that swap?
So, hey, could you guys like help with the build? Okay, so now we have all of this here, and let me see if this is walkable. Oh, it's actually walkable, and you can destroy it when you're done. Whoa, that's pretty cool. So let's just continue building. There's a bunch of crap, and hey, don't put me on there. It's becoming so crappy. It's just a pile of toys. You think I am a part of it now? I am the king. Now everyone mount. Of course, Mario's gonna make me mad. Stupid Mario. Why you have to ruin everything? Start singing now.
Yo. Well, it's because I have this plushie and you are not the king of the plushies.
Stupid boy. But anyways, hey, we pretty much used all the toys. Wait, we still have another box. Whoa, now let's get another box. Mario, are you good?
Yeah, the battle we
That's good, but you got really hurt. Okay, so now let's get Bill, Mario, and Bill, Luigi. A few minutes later, Bill, Mario, Bill, and Luigi. Yeah. So we finished our build. Okay, let's see how good you guys did. Okay. Boo. Hey, why Mario inside of the build? Boo. Okay. So.
This one's good.
Okay, Bill and Mario. I know this build isn't that good, but it's really, really, really creative. We see all those good builds all the time, and I'm getting kind of sick of it. And it's kind of good to have a build that you can just destroy when you're done with it. So we should just give them the $10,000. Okay, everyone, we are good. Even though the build isn't the best build in the world, it's really creative, and we see all these good buildings all the time, and we're getting sick and tired of it. And so we're gonna give you guys the $10,000, except for Mario because you're already a decillionaire. Hold on, let me check my bank account. I don't know why my phone is an actual binder, but okay.
I'm just a binder.
Alright, stop checking around, phone. Whoa, $10,000! That's a good way to end up. I don't know why my phone's going crazy, but that's a good way to end the video. And I know an even better way to. Okay, anyways, guys, that's pretty much the end of the video. And this video and the video before it are not in relation to the series. Episode 2 is going to come out tomorrow. We're going to upload every new episode each Saturday until we've gotten all of the episodes decided and filmed. And so, that's pretty much the end of the video. So subscribe to our channel. We're trying to hit 50 subscribers before the end of the month. And I hope you guys like the new characters we introduced. And bye.
If you want to see me again, get this video to 45 views.